Now we will check how to create an animated video ads. Okay, animated video ads. How to create that one? We can go to in home tab. Okay, if you click on home, recommended for you. Okay, in that just scroll down in templates. You will be having a these are the Facebook post we already learned. Here, animated social media is there. Okay, for the social media, when you are creating an ad, if some animation is there, then it will attract more, right? To create such animations, here animated social media is there. Go to see all to see all the templates. Okay, here you can select which template is best for you. Okay, which template gives a best thing like for your product, which template suits for your product. Select that one, then we can edit within that particular product. Okay, you can select any one. For example, we'll select this one. Okay, later also you can change the template, no need to worry on that. Okay, here templates are there. From these templates you can change it anytime. Okay, anytime you can change the template. Okay, once you have been taken a template, okay, now you can give the you can edit, start editing. Like for example, you would like to say something about your ad. Okay, like this I would like to say. And you would like to change the size, you can, like this you can change the size. And if you don't want this underline and all, you can take off here underline, and you can move it here at center. And if you like to give any of the slogans or anything. Okay, like this you can create. And you can give here source code. Like for example, someone like to have, if you like to zoom in this one, you can go here zoom in 100% like this. You can, for example, something like a promotion, you can, you like to say that if this code if they apply in a apply section, they will get a special discount. Like this you can give. Okay, if you check preview, you can see how this will be look. So it will give the more, you will have a background music also. Okay, for example, you would like to change the music and all, here you can go to edit timing, and you can change the timing in the sense how long it should be. Okay, is it 5 second, 10 second? Okay, how long it should be, you can select that one. The background color also you can change by using this one. Okay, you can change the how it should be, your entire thing should be entered. Okay, like this you can select the animation here by selecting this one. Once you have been done, if you like to have a, you can download this one. Okay, but this track music need to be paid. Okay, so that if you don't want music, you can select this one. Okay, and you can say delete, so that now you will not be able to, you will be able to get video format. If you like to get it in a zip format, gif format, okay, it will be animated video will be downloaded. Okay, directly you can use those formats in your Facebook ad. Okay, it will give some better interaction. Again, you would like to change these elements and all, again you can go back to elements. Here also you can search for a such type of the elements. Okay, you can say animated. You can see here some of the animated elements are there. You can utilize them, or you can say any of the like. Here you can search, okay, the anything which is relevant to you, you have to use that one. Okay, the future one you can use. Okay, anything like this, in any of the things which makes you the customer attractive, that particular elements you can use. Anytime you can change the text shape, you can utilize them in your here. And you can change the template also. You like to add one more template, add page, and you can add different templates here. Available templates are there, you can use them to create a animated. You can create a animated, this one, see here, animated. You can check how it will be preview. Okay, it will like this. Okay, you can create any type of the animated ads for your social media by using this particular section. The only thing here is we have to select a template. We have to modify all the text by double click on that. We can change the text, everything. Okay, you can change the image, everything. You can delete. If you like to pair this one image, you can go to here, transparency. You can pair it like this. Okay, you can change the anything here by using a any template.